Hi students, welcome back to my class. In the last class we have discussed Hermite differential equation and solution of Hermite differential equation. Okay, Hermite polynomial. Hermite polynomial of degree n is hn of x equals summation r runs from n by 2 minus 1 power r into n factorial by r factorial into n minus 2r factorial into 2x to the power n minus 2r, where this n by 2 is n by 2 only if n is an even number, and it becomes n minus 1 by 2 if n is odd number. This is called Hermite polynomial. Generating function. To prove e power 2tx minus t square equals summation n runs from 0 to infinity t power n divided by n factorial into hn of x. Consider LHS e power 2x minus t square. This can be written as e power a minus b, can be written as e power a into e power minus b. Same, this can be written as e power 2tx into e power minus t square. We know that e power x can be written as summation x power n by n factorial. Similarly, this can be written as summation 2tx power r divided by r factorial r runs from 0 to infinity. Same, this can be written as summation minus t square power s divided by s factorial over s runs from 0 to infinity. Okay, this summation r and s are running from 0 to infinity. This is minus 1 power s t power 2s s factorial. This is 2x power r t power r divided by r factorial. Now this can be written as summation r and s are running from 0 to infinity minus 1 power s to x power r power t power r t power 2s t power r plus 2s r factorial s factorial. The coefficient of t power n for fixed value of s obtained by putting r plus s to s equals n. Now we want the coefficient of t power n. This should be n. So put r plus 2x equals n. This implies r equals n minus 2x. This becomes summation minus 1 power x 2x power r. R is n minus 2s t power r plus 2s is n divided by r is n minus 2x factorial s factorial. Okay, the total value of t power n is obtained by summing over all allowed values of s, and since r equals n minus 2s, n minus 2s is greater than or equals 0, n is greater than or equals 2s, s is less than or equals n by 2. Here summation s runs from 0 to n by 2, and n already we know that this, if n is even number, s goes from 0 to n by 2. In the Hermite polynomial we know that s runs from 0 to n by 2 if n is even number, and s runs from 0 to n minus 1 by 2 if n is odd number. So coefficient of t power n is here. Coefficient of t power n is this one, summation minus 1 power s to x power n minus 2s n minus 2s factorial into s factorial, this one. Okay, this is equals hn of x by n factorial. This value equals hn of x by n factorial, because we know that Hermite polynomial hn of x divided by this n factorial equals summation minus 1 power r to x power n minus 2r r factorial n minus 2r factorial. Instead of r we have s. Same. Therefore this value equals Hermite polynomial hn of x divided by n factorial. Hence e power 2xt minus t square equals, see, equation number 1, e power 2xt minus t square equals this term into tn, but we know that the value of this whole term is hn of x, summation hn of x by n factorial into t power n is already there, but this can be written as e power x square minus t minus x whole square. If you expand this again we get this one, 2xt minus t square equals summation n runs from 0 to infinity t power n divided by n factorial into hn of x.